Hi from Warsaw.
I'm feeling lost again, thinking of way back when. Every night I'd sit down to write dear diary. No longer an ink affair. My fingers now glide through air. Your pages compressed to a phone by my chest. Type, delete, I just repeat, waiting for answers to light up my screen. Type, delete, I just repeat, type, delete, delete.
Yes.
Paper to data and data to glory. Up in the cloud they are saving my story. Paper to data and data to glory. Adding the lines to my digital diary. Paper to data and data to glory. Up in the cloud they are saving my story. Paper to data and data to glory. Adding the lines to my digital diary. Dear diary, my nights used to be for you. Secrets only we knew. Then years came in grand, put a phone in my hand. I feel so weary, but mirrors say you're a child. So many hurricanes swirling inside my mind. I need some help, so I'm reaching out through my phone, only to realize we're all lost and alone. Type, delete, I just repeat, waiting for answers to light up my screen. Type, delete, I just repeat, type, delete, delete. Paper to data and data to glory. Up in the cloud they are saving my story. Paper to data and data to glory. Adding the lines to my digital diary. Paper to data and data to glory. Up in the cloud they are saving my story. Paper to data and data to glory. Adding the lines to my digital diary.
Hi from Warsaw. It's my second day here, and I thought I would show you what you get if you decide to get an Airbnb in Warsaw. I'm currently working, so I'm here. I've already been out, and my fiance is at a conference, so I'm working remotely from here. But we're actually staying in an Airbnb that turned out to be in a dormitory. We didn't know that it would be in a dorm, and the building itself is, from the outside and the halls and stuff, really not amazing. But then when we entered the Airbnb, it's very good, so we're actually quite happy, and I'll show it to you. I haven't done any like tours in a while. But yeah, so it looks a bit dark on camera, but it's actually quite nice and airy and bright. So you walk in and you have the living room right in front of you, and you have a big kitchen. So quite nice. Not like I'm planning to cook anything, but yeah, it's been pretty nice. I've been working here, and also this coffee table is actually quite high up. So I've been sitting here working, doing emails and stuff like that. Here are my noise cancelling headphones that came in really good for me, because there was construction in this house and it was so loud. So I'm using this little break from the drilling and stuff to film a little bit. Yeah, it's a nice picture wall, extra blanket. And then what I like is the views, because over here you have these like classic like communist architecture that is very charming. I mean, I'm grew up in East Berlin, so yeah, I've seen these plenty. There are some like really tall buildings in Warsaw. I was very surprised. Yeah, I was extremely surprised because I've seen some pictures beforehand, and I've been to many Polish cities and been to Kraków and Poznan, and, you know, like quite a lot of them. This is not my first time in Poland, and they were all like very quaint and cute and very nice. And then I looked up Warsaw. My partner said he would go to a conference here, and I was very surprised by what it looks like. So when we arrived by train, it looked almost like we're in North America, like Detroit or Chicago. So many tall buildings, beautiful architecture. It's one of the most interesting and different cities in Poland, in my opinion. So yeah, anyway, there's a big TV that we're not using at all. We have Netflix on our laptops, but not using that. Oh, big mirror moment. So there's a big mirror here, which comes in handy when you're... I don't have a full-length mirror at home, so I'm very impressed. Bathroom. I like the tiles, you know, like the tiles are my favorite. It's the same as in the kitchen. Washing machine that we also won't be using. Not so bad. And we have a separate bedroom, which is not always the case in Airbnbs. Nothing crazy. There's some windows up there. It gets very bright in here in the morning, but super comfy bed, so no complaints here. So yeah, I don't know if I'll be going out again because it's a bit later, and I will be done with work eventually, and maybe I'm going on another stroll, but yeah, I've been out earlier for a little walking tour, and it was really fun, and I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna enjoy that there's no drilling. I got some stuff from the supermarket for dinner because Curtis will be at a dinner at the conference, and tomorrow I hope we get to hang out in the evening, maybe get some pierogi because we both like these Polish dumplings. They're very good. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably eat here, but it's only 5 and we're here today, which is Thursday, and then tomorrow, and we're leaving Saturday really early. So my plan for tomorrow is to go to at least one of the museums, and they have a geological museum here that looks very cool, and they have a communist museum that also looks cool. Or maybe I'll do a walking tour of like Jewish Warsaw. I don't know, probably one of these because I'm gonna take a long lunch break, start work early or something like that, and take a long break to do that. So I will still think about what I'm gonna do. Hopefully then go out to dinner tomorrow and go to a bar, hopefully, and then on Saturday we have enough time to maybe get breakfast, and then our train is at 11. We'll be back home, I think by 6, if I'm correct, something like that. And then we have dinner plans because it's Curtis' birthday on Sunday. Very exciting times, and I'm gonna go back to my emails now. But Warsaw is great, so if you ever consider coming here, definitely do it. I've enjoyed it so much already. Oh my god. It doesn't look that bad on camera, but it's like coming down really hard there. You can't really see, but it's pretty intense. You see the rain? Oh. I was gonna go on a walking tour, but I don't even think I can carry an umbrella like that.
Ever since I was born, been a spring flower's daughter. Hibernate till it's warm and the snow melts to water. But here comes a change, I can feel it inside. I see sun in the cloudless sky, so I open my windows and breathe in the light for a moment. It feels just right. Smiling faces, warm embraces,